Dominic would like a peanut butter sandwich. Ooh, you found the bread! Okay, now we need peanut butter.
Okay. Say.
Ooh.
Hobby.
Oh, it's heavy? Put it on the counter. Can you put it up there?
Okay. Sorry. Yeah.
Do you need help?
How?
Oh, you got it.
Oh, good.
Very good.
Good.
How old are you?
2.
Oh, good. Okay, bye-bye.
Bye.